Did you know? In nature, fungi form two amazing partnerships, one with algae called lichen, and another with plant roots called mycorrhiza. Firstly, we discuss lichen. Lichen is a symbiotic relationship between algae and fungi. Symbiotic means both organisms get benefits. Algae are not plant because they have no root, stem, and true leaves, but they look green and do photosynthesis. On the other hand, fungi consist of microorganisms and mushrooms. Lichen is an association between algae and fungi, in which algae prepare food because algae are autotrophs, and autotrophs can prepare their own food. Algae provide this food to fungi. Fungi absorb water and minerals and give it to algae. Lichen grow on harsh places, such as rocks. Algae and fungi can't grow alone in these places. Now we discuss mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza is a symbiotic relationship between fungi and roots of plants. It is a relationship between fungi and plants. In mycorrhiza association, plant prepare food and fungi absorb water and minerals. The plant with mycorrhiza association grow better than other plants.